Every month, UF health experts meet with the community for the Prime of Your Life Women's Health Series. This free event focuses on common challenges and unique needs of women. This month's topic is perfect for this time of year. It's all about persistent coughs and when you should seek medical treatment. Now, Monday's event will be led by UF Health's head pulmonologist, Dr. Lisa Jones, and she joins us now to tell us more. Good morning, Lisa.
Good morning.
Before we get to all that, we have a very important thing that you need to do, which is to say good morning to somebody.
I do. I'd like to give a shout out to Ariana and to Shadi Z.
Aww.
Merry Christmas, girls. I love you.
Mwah. Very sweet. I love that. Okay, so what are the symptoms of a chronic cough, and how do we know that it's something really bad?
That's a wonderful question, and thank you for asking. The symptoms of a chronic cough, and we have to define what is a chronic cough. And that's typically a cough that's been persisting or bothering you for more than 8 weeks. And it can be a dry cough or a cough with sputum production, but you should be concerned about that, especially after 8 weeks of a persistent cough. But with remembering that we are very lucky to live in northern Florida and southern Georgia, and we have a very specific allergy zone here. This is the time of year where people are dealing with postnasal drip, allergies, and it gives you that raspy throat or excessive clearing. You need to pay attention to that, and there are easy remedies. But when it persists, you need to make sure that you get to a primary care provider, which could be an advanced nurse practitioner, a family medicine provider, an internal medicine doctor, and those physicians will guide you to the proper referral. So that includes pulmonary function testing, a chest x-ray, because we want to make sure that we're not dealing with something that's more serious than just postnasal drip or acid reflux.
So is it primarily caused by allergies this time of year? What is the reason for the chronic cough?
Wonderful question again. We as pulmonologists, we deal with majorly 3 reasons for cough, and that's asthma, acid reflux, GERD. And we put acid reflux and GERD together as an upper airway cough syndrome, because when you have postnasal drip, it's going to get onto those vocal cords and it's going to irritate, going to cough to clear that mucus on your vocal cords. You can also have acid reflux that's going to come up and it's going to tickle those sensors in the backs of our throats. So we put that together. Asthma is another common cause, and then of course a smoker's cough. And we want to be very, very cognizant of a smoker's cough, because depending on how many pack years a smoker has smoked or age, we need to make sure that we are looking at specific risk factors so that we can get them to the screening that is appropriate for their age.
Okay, so say that I've had this chronic cough for 6 weeks or more, and I'm finally realizing, okay, this is bad. Who do I go see? Who do I make an appointment with?
Again, a wonderful question. So we have amazing primary care providers, and in this day and age, again, nurse practitioners, family medicine doctors, internal medicine doctors, those are your primary docs that are going to send you appropriately to appropriate physicians. So we are lucky at the UF Health Center that we have resources downtown on 8th Street. We have a beautiful new facility up at River City. We have a clinic at Emerson. We're reaching out to the wildlife and villages. So we have many, many areas where you can get to a good primary care physician. And then hopefully that primary care physician will do the appropriate workup or referral, and they will do a chest x-ray. They will do a pulmonary function test.
I was going to ask, what is the treatment for it?
Exactly. And they will do that, and then they will refer to our amazing pulmonary critical care department at UF Health down on 8th Street, and we spread our physicians out through the community so that we can appropriately take care of this population. And also knowing that we have, Jacksonville is wonderful. We're a small medical mecca, and there are amazing institutions within a 16-mile radius. You have UF Health, you have St. Vincent's, you have Memorial, you have Baptist, you have Mayo, and it's a small community. We all know each other, we all refer to each other, so if that cough is persisting after 8 weeks, get to your primary
get
care
help,
physician
right.
so that they can refer you to the appropriate pulmonary care physician so that we can get to the bottom of it.
Okay, thank you so much,
Yes,
Dr.
ma'am.
Jones, for that important information. Again, this is a free educational event happening Monday from 6 p.m. to 7:30. It's being held at UF Health North on Max Leggett Parkway in the first floor conference room. To make a reservation, just head to ufhealthjax.org. We've also posted a link to this story so that you can do all of that at news4jax.com.